Good day, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we want to look at test 2A of steps to quantitative reasoning. And we were given an example. We said 7, 5, 11, and 9. This is x, this is y, and this x gives us y. So what we need to understand is the operation that transforms x to y, and how this 7 becomes 39, how 5 becomes 15, how 11 becomes 111, and how 9 becomes 71. So what must be at the back of our mind is that whatever transforms 7 to become 39 must be the same process that will transform 5 to become 15. So it must be true. Once it is true for one, it must ensure that the method we are adopting is true for all. Now, this is 7, this is 39. So by my own calculation, the operation that goes on here is 7 raised to power 2. That means x, let me say x in generic form, x raised to power 2, subtract 10 from it, will give us y. So if you understand this operation, let us take the first x, which is 7. 7 raised to power 2 is 49. Subtract 10 from it, give us 39. Let us take the second x and see if it is true. 5 raised to power 2 is 25. Subtract 10 from it, it gives us 15. So it is true. 11 raised to power 2, that is 121. 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. Subtract 10 from it, that gives us 111. So it is true. So let's see if it is true for the last one. 9 raised to power 2 is 81. Minus 10, it gives us 71. So this is the operation. We can now adopt this generic operation as the operation that solves the entire problem. So let us take it one after the other. We have 4 raised to power 2. 4 raised to power 2 is 16. Subtract 10 from it, so this becomes 6. 5 raised to power 2, that's 25. Subtract 10 from it, this will become 15. 7 raised to power 2, that's 49. Subtract 10 from it, this becomes 39. 8 raised to power 2, that's 64. Subtract 10 from it, that gives you 54. So we are going to do the same for this. 10 raised to power 2, that gives us 100. 100 subtract 10 from it, that gives us 90. 12 raised to power 2, that gives us 144. Subtract 10 from it, that gives us 134. 11 raised to power 2, that gives us 121. Subtract 10 from it, that is 111. 9 raised to power 2, that's 81. Subtract 10 from it, and that gives us 71. So we'll repeat the same thing. So 20 raised to power 2, that gives us 900. Subtract 10 from it, that gives us 390. 15 raised to power 2, so this gives us 225. Subtract 10 from it, we get 215. 13 multiplied by 13, that is 169. Subtract 10 from it, that gives us 159. 6 multiplied by 6, 36. Subtract 10 from it, that gives us 26. So the fourth one, we have 17. 17 square, that is 17, that's 289. 289, subtract 10 from it, that gives us 279. 16 multiplied by 16, that's 256. Subtract 10 from it, this gives us 246. 14 multiplied by 14, that's 196. Subtract 10 from it, that gives us 186. 18 multiplied by 18, that gives us 324. Subtract 10 from it, this gives us 314. And to the last line, so we have 21 raised to power 2. 21 multiplied by 21, that is 441. Subtract 10 from it, it gives us 431. 30 multiplied by 30, that is 900. Subtract 10 from it, that gives us 890. and 25 multiplied by 25, that gives us 625. Subtract 10 from me, that gives us 615. And the last but not the least, 40 multiplied by 40, that gives us 1600. Subtract 10 from me, that is 1590. So I hope that is clear. Thank you very much, and please remember to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Till I see you next time, please be good.